This is the solution to example 12 from notes 1.4. And we're told that a sidewalk was built around a rectangular garden. If the area of the sidewalk is 116 meters squared, find X. And we're given this diagram. So the salmon shaded area is the sidewalk, and we're supposed to find the area of the sidewalk. So this is sort of a classic geometry problem where we can say that the area of the sidewalk is going to be the area of the outer rectangle minus the area of the inner rectangle. And this is often a strategy that we use to find the area between two figures. So the area of the outer rectangle is going to be 3x plus 4 times 3x. So this is the outer rectangle. The area of the inner rectangle is going to be x times x plus 4. So this is the inner rectangle. That difference is the area of the sidewalk, which we're told is 160 meters squared. So we'll distribute 3x to 3x and 4. So we're going to get 9x squared plus 12x minus, and we'll distribute x to the quantities x and 4, minus x squared plus 4x is equal to 160. Now we need to distribute the negative to both of the terms in the brackets. So 9x squared plus 12x minus x squared minus 4x is equal to 160. And now we'll combine like terms. So 8x squared plus 8x equals 160. I'm going to put everything on one side of the equation, so I'll subtract 160 from both sides of the equation. So we will have 8x squared plus 8x minus 160 equals 0. Each one of these coefficients is divisible by 8, so I'll divide both sides of the equation by 8, which will leave us with x squared plus x minus 20 equals 0. Fortunately, this factors. So it factors two things that multiply to negative 20 but add to 1 are positive 5 and negative 4. So this factors as the quantity x plus 5 times the quantity x minus 4. Then by the zero product property, we can say that each one of these factors is equal to 0, and we can conclude that x equals negative 5 or x equals 4. And then we have to make sure, since this is an application problem, make sure that this makes sense in the context of our problem. And here we see that x is the length of a side of the rectangle, so we can have no negative lengths, so x equals negative 5 doesn't make sense. But don't just disregard negative values just because they're negative, because if the side lengths were, say, x plus 6, then x equals negative 5 would work, okay, in this particular example. For that side, it wouldn't work for the other sides. So x is equal to 4, and that's what we're asked to find, so that's our solution.